Okay, students, so today we are going to see the plantar fasciitis, how we can help this condition by taping. So the condition, the fascia gets inflamed and irritated, because of which the patient gets pain, and in the long run it can also affect the calf muscles. The calf muscles may shorten or it may get tight, ultimately worsening the condition. The classical sign is the morning pain after a rest of activity. When the patients get up in the early morning, the person is unable to keep the feet in the floor. There will be huge pain, and after some activity during the day the pain subsides. So the fascia, after this sole here, when the fascia comes here and attaches till the this area MTP. So this is the fascia region where it is mainly irritated. So first we have to localize and ask the patient where is the exact pain. First what we are going to do is extend the knee fully, then dorsiflex the foot. After dorsiflexion we have to keep the feet as if the toes are in extension. Now maintaining this position, now here I will be showing you a rigid tape, but when you are going to do the tape, you can do with the K-taping also. So first we have to put the one end at the metatarsal phalangeal joint junction here, and then since this is a rigid tape, there is no point of stretching it. Just put it taking over the heel and up to the tendo Achilles point. So you have to keep in mind that we don't have creases here. It should be plain. You can rub it with our fingers so that it becomes plain and there is no creases. So this is one, and next is the next step will be from the lateral border of the ankle here, the lateral border of the foot, we first locate the pain. If the pain is here, suppose, then covering that pain point, we keep the one end at the lateral border of the feet, then we take the other end towards the medial border and just below the medial malleolus, just below the medial malleolus. So I'll just show you once again. The lateral border here, then we take this and just in the from the lateral border towards the medial side, just below the medial malleolus. So this gives support to the first tape and stabilizes the pain point, and it gives support to the fascia. Our main goal is to decrease the load on the fascia. The fascia is overloaded because of numerous reasons, because maybe of the tight calf muscles, maybe some other biomechanical alterations, maybe because of any factor in the knee, or also sometimes from the back pain. So we have to check all the biomechanical alterations, but our main aim is to decrease the load in the fascia. So this 2 tape is enough, and if you want a third tape, you can take it from the half of the first this tape which is in the lateral border, half here, and then you can stabilize it more towards the medial malleolus. So this is the taping of the plantar fasciitis. This is the taping of the plantar